everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today I'm taking a closer look at our 2022 Ram 1500 in the Laramie trim. With just over 48,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It is 4-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front of this Laramie, you will find it well equipped with high intensity headlights with LED daytime running lights and fog lights integrated into the lower bumper, accompanied by front proximity sensors. Making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment, but on the outside you will notice you do have turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap with passive door entry. On the inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme with nice elements such as leather, off-white stitching, suede, brushed aluminum, and as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this gorgeous pickup truck. Of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these leather and suede seats here, Laramie stitched right in the middle, and you will have heated and cooling in the front seats, and you will also have power adjustments on the passenger and the driver's side. Located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection sheet. Here you can see all the tires are 9/32 all the way around, and the brake pads are good to go. And as you can see, everything else is green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do this so you don't have to put money into the wearable shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Of course, your passengers will have plenty of space, and they'll actually enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console and USB and USB-C charging. You'll even have a 115 down here, all-weather floor mats. And then on either side of the driver and passenger, you will have your nice ramp storage bins as well. And if we look up to the bench seat here, you will have a fold-down cup holder and armrest. So let's carry on to the back of the truck here. As you can see, you do have LED tail lights, high definition rear camera, and all your towing equipment with dual exhaust. And it looks like you have rear proximity sensors as well. And this Ram is equipped with a spray-in bedliner here, as you can see, with LED lighting. And let's go ahead and go up the driver's side here. This is the side your fuel lid's gonna be on. Of course, nice passive entry with your proximity key in your pocket. All you have to do is put your hand on the handle and it will lock or unlock. You can do that with that button as well. Let's take a look at the driver door. You'll notice all your powered options such as memory seating, power folding mirrors, power windows, and door locks. To the left of the steering wheel, you will have your general lamp selector and brightness and dimming controls for your center cluster. You'll also see that this Ram is equipped with an electronic parking brake and powered adjustable foot pedals. Upon startup, you can see just over 48,000 miles on this Ram. And as far as steering pneumatic controls are concerned, you will have a selector for that center screen. And of course, you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right side, you'll have your manual gear select and your cruise control. Let's go ahead and bring our attention to the center display. Nice carbon fiber elements around here with your, I would call that chrome. Nice chrome trim. Up top, you will have 12-volt charging and a little bit of storage here with your premium sound here, as you can see. And making our way down to the touchscreen display, you will notice all your comfort and convenience features can be displayed right here. This says climate off, so let's go ahead and turn that on. As you can see, you do have heated and ventilated front seats and a heated steering wheel. And of course, you do have that high definition rear camera with your guidance lines. And as far as audio is concerned, you will have your standard FM, AM, XM with Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration like your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then you will notice this vehicle is equipped with onboard navigation. Super simple setup here, very easy. Tons of comfort and convenience features in this Laramie model. As you can see, you have some hard buttons here for your heated and cooling seats and your heated steering wheel. Followed up with your dual automatic climate control and your integrated trailer brake control. Followed up with your traction control on and off tow haul, and then you have front and rear proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off right here. And guys, let's go ahead and take a look to the left. You will have your dial style selector with your four-wheel drive selections. In the middle, you have a nice very versatile center console here, so that'll move up there. So a lot of different ways you can stack it here, a lot of ways you can store it. So 2 cup holders, coin dispenser, plenty of storage down below. You have more storage with a 115 wireless charging, more storage, 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and an auxiliary for alternative audio. So tons of stuff going on here in the middle of the truck. Up top though, you will have integrated garage door openers. You can program up to 3, and of course you have all your controls for your powered rear sliding glass and your panoramic sunroof. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you have your 5.7 liter V8 engine. As you can see, very clean, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, this is going to be a great truck to take camping, fishing, with tons of comfort and convenience features. Great for the family, great for your friends. It does have the tow package, so it's going to be very capable of hauling a mid-size, small boat, camper, what have you. Probably upwards of 9,000 pounds tow capacity. Of course, it has the V8 and the integrated trailer brake control, so no worries there. But along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram, keeping in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. So starting up front here, minimal stone chipping. You will have a little bit of wear and tear here from the road, but nice granite crystal clear coat here, like a dark gray metallic. Your headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation, no buildup. Your fog lights are nice and clear as well. Your grille stylings here in the front, kind of flat black here. A little bit of paint matched element as well. Really good shape. Headlights on the passenger side are in good shape, as well as your fog lights. Taking a look at the wheel and tire setup, I did want to mention you do have some slight curb rash here on the passenger front wheel here. On the right side, looks like it goes pretty much all the way around, just on the outer, but as you can see, otherwise very good shape. Mirror cap in good shape. Let's take a look behind the passenger door handle. Minimal scuffing. All the trim pieces on the outer door are in good shape, no discoloration, no fading. You will have a blemish here. Looks like we have a little bit of scarring here on some of the moldings on the passenger side door card. Other than that, your suede's in good shape. All your other elements are in nice shape as well. Of course, can't really see much of the headliner because it's taken up by the beautiful panoramic sunroof. However, your leather seats are in really great condition. No rip stains, tears, and no odors, guys. So no smoke odor, super important here at All Things Automotive. Behind that door handle, we're good. Let's take a look at the back seat. Looks like all leather floor mats here, like new. Of course, you got your Ram storage bin, so the carpet is in a really good shape underneath there, as you can see. And the seats are in very good condition as well. Coming around to the bed, as you can see, your spray-in bed liner. Have a little bit of blemish here in the middle. There was some material spilled, like dried paint or something, that did not come up. So you will have that to deal with here in the back of the bed. Otherwise, very good shape here in your spray-in bed liner. And you're also gonna have some scarring here on top of the tailgate, this trim piece. And back here by the hitch receiver, you are gonna have some scuffs here, as you can see. And some more blemishes here on the back bumper, so not perfect. This is by the driver's side tail light. We're gonna have some scuffs here, but your badging is, everything's good. As you can see, your decals are good, no chipping or peeling. All your trim pieces around your wheel and tire setup are in good shape, nice paint match. Maybe I might see a small blemish there. Looks like a little touch-up spot right there, as you can see. And coming up the driver's side, no dents or dings that I'm seeing here, no touch-up spots. And a little bit of wear here on the driver's side mirror. Other than that, really good shape here, very clean. Give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Additionally, you can go to allthingsautomotive.com, where you can shop online 24/7. Guys, you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy. Only takes 10 minutes of your time. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McCallsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Hope you found this video informational. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe.